What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. In today's video we're going to be forging this billet into a chef's knife. Hopefully we don't get too much distortion. Well, we're going to get distortion. We're going to see what kind of distortion we get and if it looks cool or not. Regardless, we're going to have a really nice chef's knife at the end of this. Hopefully if I don't mess it up. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I left it in there overnight to slowly cool down and soften off the steel. We got about 9-inch blade. Don't know what we're gonna end up at the end after I'm done grinding, but not too bad. Definitely wanted to heal a little bit lower, but that'll do just fine. It's about 2 inches right now. So next thing, get some of this scale off and start profiling it. Alright guys, so the knife is ready to heat treat. It has been rough ground to about 120. Got our holes for our handle pins and it's looking pretty nice. It's time for heat treat. Alright guys, so we're out of warp. You can see the sandmite pattern coming out through the quench, and we had a minor tiny little warp. I'm not sure if it's noticeable, but I straightened out the majority of it with a jig in the oven while I was tempering. So time to clean it up and get it ready for hand sand. Alright guys, so the knife is ready. I'm gonna start working on the handles now. I'm gonna be using this piece of wenge. I'm gonna have to cut out 2 scales out of it, so let's do that. Alright, well, my bandsaw blades are dull, so hand cutting this is gonna take too long, so we're gonna scratch that idea and look for something else. I was able to find this left over from a different project. Hopefully the bandsaw can cut this guy out. If not, I can cut this out by hand a little bit easier than that block, I think, because this stuff is dense, very, very dense. Alright guys, so the handle is pretty much ready for glue up. It's time to acid etch the knife and see how it comes out. Alright guys, so it's the next day. The knife glued up very nicely. See the little drops where I had it upside down. Focus, there we go. You see the drops from where I had it upside down. But now time to profile it, get it ready. Alright guys, so that's it for this build. The knife came out really cool. You can definitely see those washers in there. It ended up having a little bit more of the core steel exposed than I wanted to, but that's just how it is. I need to get better with forging it down. That way I keep more of that core steel down there and keep more of my clad steel on the outside. But overall it came out pretty cool looking. I am not upset about that, not one bit. But as always guys, you know what to do. Go like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, you really should. And tell me what you think about the knife and how it came out. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.